He's so close to Mama's hand. Sleepy. Mama's gonna cram some chicken doll. You sleeping in there? I guess you are. Good night. Can't even put my head properly. Good night. Heard that noisy? That's washing dishes, huh? You look so cute. Fine. Good night. It's alright. Just said that. That is washing dishes. Don't worry. Just do the ones we need, baby. Sure. It's outside. The birds are outside. They can't come in. They won't be able to come in, baby. It's alright. Dada trying to wash the dishes with Sunshine playing with his necklace, and she just wanna play. There she goes.